classmates. We are Group 2 and this is our performance task number 2 in English. Let's take our break. Hey guys, what do you have? Same as always.
Hey Kishan, let's take our snack.
Ooh, too expensive.
Hey Kishan, what do you got?
Cheap eat, not expensive. Gawang Pinoy.
Hey, what is that food?
Cheap eat. It has 2 flavors. Cheese and barbecue. Cheap
Eat.
Hey guys. Hi guys. What are you doing? Taking our snacks. Hey Clark, while you are sad.
I don't have baon.
Oh, what's this? Cheap eat. It's only 5 pesos.
What? 5 pesos only?
It's available in all sari-sari store nationwide.